Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing an unboxing of the Bolzano bag. This one is super fun. This actual one is $44. It has a purse. You get purse accessories. So like they'll have like a bracelet or a necklace or something like that. And also purse companions, which are super fun. Like I said, this one is $44. There's tons of other subscription to choose from. I will leave the links in the description box below so you can check them out. So I haven't opened this yet, but it always looks like this when you receive it. And then I'm just gonna pull this out. This looks like a tan bag, which I love this color. I love this style for some reason. I've never had a bag like this, but I like that it's kind of like square and cute like this. There's like a bunch of space in here for things. So I'll pull this out, and then this is, I think, the accessories for this month. And then this is the purse companions. So last month I received a lot of really fun stuff in mine. So I'm gonna do the accessories first. So this is looking like a scarf of some sort. So I'm really not into this, but I think honestly like my grandma might really like that. So I'll probably save that for her. I mean, you don't always like everything in your subscription boxes, so I'm like still not hating it because one, I love the purse, and I love that it has like a not super long strap, but I don't know, I really like this. This holds quite a bit, so if we go to the zoo or something, I think that is like perfect. And then this is oh, this is really cool. So this is a necklace, and it has a K for Kristen. That is really cool. I really like this. So you know, 2 for 3 is not bad. So the purse companions, this last time had like lotion and really fun stuff. So I am like over the top excited to receive this. All right, so the first thing that's in here is this L'Oreal Anti-Wrinkle and Firming Face and Neck Contour Cream. It's some kind of lift. I am actually kind of excited about this a little bit just because I have always wanted some kind of moisturizer for my face, and I have never seemed to buy one, or I don't know what to buy. So I think this is probably a really good start. It's by L'Oreal, and I love that company. This is Aura by, I don't know what it is. But this right here is a perfume, and this is really cool. It like, okay, I don't really know how this works. Okay, just pops right off. That has a little diamond. Now that is kind of a musky smell. I'm not super into that, but that's still really cute. And like, even if you don't like some things like this right here is a super cute like Christmas gift or a birthday gift or something like that. So I always save things even if I don't like them. And then the last two things are these lip glosses. This one, they're by Desi, and they are these two colors right here. So one's like a red and one's like a really pretty pink. I'm kind of like curious to what this looks like. We're gonna do beauty guru style, and we're gonna do like some swatches. Okay, this looks like, don't mind me guys, this looks like it's kind of clear. Maybe it's not, I don't know. It makes your lips really glossy. That's kind of cool. I like this, and it's really soft. So those are pretty cool. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Oh wait, that's not it. This must be the other purse accessory. This is a bracelet. So excited. Okay, this is really cute because it just kind of goes right on your wrist, and then you probably tighten it a little bit. Yeah, you can tighten it. Super cute. I got a bracelet the last time I received one of these bags, and I love their jewelry. They have such cool jewelry. They also have all kinds of subscription boxes, like I said, where you can get jewelry. I think they're coming out with like a watch, a subscription bag pretty soon, and that's really cool. And then there's like just all kinds of, like I said, links to the description box. This subscription box, super fun. You guys all know, if you don't watch my review videos, you're not gonna know, but I love subscription boxes. I love trying them out. I love seeing what you receive, and I really think that helps everybody else too. So not everybody likes watching reviews and things like that, but at least, you know, before you hop into something, you can see what you receive. And I have so far been really happy with this company and their subscription boxes. They don't do me wrong. So you guys, that's it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.